Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and wow, look! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and today we're gonna open my Fidget Toy set from Shopee. Wow! Look! First we have to sanitize. I'm excited. There's a puppy. First we got
one sanitizer.
this, a puzzle ball. It's like that. You have to puzzle it. Okay, and then next we have, what's this? Spike balls? I think they're spike balls. They're so spiky. It's so cool. Okay, so we got spike balls. A wacky track. Oh my god. It's a wacky track. I wanted one of these. Wacky track. It's a blue and green wacky track. And next we have, oh my god, I'm so excited. So we got 3 marble and mesh. So excited. Okay, so we got green marble and mesh, blue marble and mesh, and then orange marble and mesh. Okay. And next we have a DNA ball. This is what am I gonna be waiting for? Oh my goodness. The DNA ball is amazing. Oh my god. And we got this one. It's like, oh, it's an Orbeez stress ball. It's a red Orbeez stress ball. My goodness. Okay, next. A pea popper, a pea popper, a pea popper. Look at the face, look at the face, look at the face. Wee, 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 wee. And another pea popper here. And another pea popper here. This one is like, it has a face but the others doesn't. And then next we got monkey noodles. Wait. So yeah, 3 monkey noodles. So I have yellow, blue, and green. And then next, a fidget pad. Wait, what? Okay, so we got a fidget pad. I'm gonna open the fidget pad. Oh my god, I'm so excited. so there's like that joystick, and then like that. So I have a black fidget pad. And next, I have this maze. I don't think I'm gonna use this, but I'm still gonna add it to my collection. So new collection. Okay. And then next we have this mini Rubik's Cube. I don't like to mess this up because I'm gonna save this for something. Next is this black snake. Okay, so I have this black snake. Now I have two snakes for me. Okay, so I have another snake. It's a black one. I have a pink one, but this is my second snake. That is not very good. That's my pink snake. Wait, let me see how big it is. Oh, it's actually kind of big. Oh, it's actually kind of big. See, look, compared to my hand. Next, I have two more stress balls with me. Okay. It's an RB stress ball, but it's a rainbow one. And I think my sister Zamara is gonna love this. I have a dinosaur stress ball. Zami likes this. Zami loves dinosaurs. Maybe she loves this. I don't know. Look. It's so cute. Look. Whoa. It's so cute. I don't know what kind of dinosaur is this, but it's amazing. And we have here my 3 mochis. So first I have this mochi. And open it right there. Okay, so I have this mochi. I don't know what kind of mochi it is, but it's so cute. And I have this cat one. I don't know if it's cat or a tiger. I don't know. Is it a cat? I think it's a cat. So we have a cat, and then here we have a seal. Is this a seal? I don't know. It's a seal, but it's cute. All of my mochis are so cute. And then next we have this infinite cube. So I got a blue and yellow infinite cube. And the last but not the least, my rainbow poppet. So I have 2 poppets now. So excited. Wait, let me move everything. I'm gonna put everything here first. So yeah. Oh, what is this for the fidget pad? I think this is for the fidget pad. So like that. The snake. Marble mesh. A wacky track. A pea popper. Some lasers. Spiky balls. Magic ball thing. DNA ball, or stress ball. Now it's the puppet. So there's the puppet. I'm gonna see what it sounds. It's hard. I don't know why it's hard. Wait, I use the phone. So it's hard. Look, it's hard. Okay, now here's the loud side. It's easy to pop. And this is the not loud side, which is so hard. I don't know why it's hard. So hard. Okay. So I have like my rainbow puppet. There you go. This is all of the stuff. You like it? Ooh, wow, look at that. Puppet.
Rainbow. What?
Look. Good job. Even baby likes fidget toys. Look, marble mesh.
Whoa, swishy. A seal?
A seal.
A rabbit.
This is not a rabbit. That's a seal. A puzzle ball. She likes the dinosaur. You like any type of stress ball? Really? It's not a bouncy ball. Look, Zam. You see the face?
Beast.
Sammy, look. I bet you like this. Sammy, I'm looking it off. Look, spiky balls.
Spiky balls.
Spiky balls.
Nice spiky balls.
A little cube. Sorry. Chill. There you go. This is all of the stuff. Thank you for being with me and see you in my next vlog. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye!